All I can see out of it now. Coming down a big white in a snowstorm. Different video.
Bashed my arm.
Wow. Oh, maybe when you went down.
Yeah.
The second one, the first one was just sort of like a stutter step. That wasn't really anything. But the second one was like,
trees,
you just went thump. Try and get our windows defrosted here. I'm starting to see better out of the camera. It's defrosting. Oh, I first turned it on. It's going to film out of here, Blaine. The screen was completely white, but I could see it through the camera, right? So another video would not have worked. I'll see how the other ones turned out. Because I got a couple good shots of you that would be like disappointing if it was frosted up.
Yeah.
But it is hit and miss on that shit on the elements, right?
Yeah.
Like I was right on you when you did that one jump onto the cat track there, right? Like I could make that look like an airborne shot when I start cupping across. I can make it look 20 feet high. But it depends if it turned out. I was right on you, mate.
Yeah,
that was the perfect location. It was an accident, right? We didn't try to set it up. That's usually how the good ones happen.
I see you guys out of the corner of my eye coming down. I'm like, oh, this is going to come right in front of them.
Yeah, and you know, I was right on you, so I was when you did it. So hopefully that came, because I can turn that into a really good photo.
Yeah, I like it how you can get still stuff back there.
Oh yeah, and then I cropped them afterwards, eh? I'm glad I actually know about cropping and stuff. I had this little period in my life with Kevin and Marchand where we built a dark room up in Glen Rosa underneath the thing, and I learned back when you had to do it that way, I learned how to do that. And cropping and making my pictures better, like when you're printing them, which you don't get at the Photoshop, right? Because professional photographers, they don't take the picture as it comes out of the camera.
No.
Right? That's what happens to your photos when you take them to Photomat. So I learned how they crop, right? So now the digital cropping is fucking simple.
Yeah.
They have these big dials, right? You know, it was still easy, but yeah, that was sort of fun, eh? Not that that skill is useless now because I couldn't even get film and that fucking shit anymore to do it. But it was sort of fun, eh? Tito's the one that needs headphones. He's rhythm, eh? Rhythm is how we're going to teach him. Like the different people are different, right? She's a thrasher.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
She said, I want to
When she, yeah, no, and when she pretends like she's scared, she's pretending, right? She's the thrasher. He's an artist.
Yeah, the visibility.
You got to teach him differently, right?
Flat light just dropped completely.
Oh, it did. I almost went down on that little thing there. I caught it thing, and not that it would have been a bad. Well, those are the ones that can hurt you sometimes.
Yes, exactly.
We still got to get together with Lenny one evening. We've been talking about that for 2 years. I'll contact her. She's up in Glen Rosa, I think, eh?
I think she's back in her place.
Oh, no, she is. She's living here again. Well, I don't know if she lives... Does she have a house up there or something?
Yeah.
Okay, because she moved away for so long, eh?
Yeah, well, to Nelson just for work.
Okay. She's not in the
Still
same
kept
house,
her.
is she? No.
No, it's over there off Aberdeen.
Okay.
Yeah, as soon as you come up Weber, right at the top, turn right, it's the first house on the next right-hand corner.
Did Lenny ski? I don't remember.
No, I don't think so. I think she did once or twice.
Yeah, I mean, so many of them did the school skiing thing, but I don't even count that. That snow was beautiful, though.
Yeah, it was.
Yeah, nice and light. And I did get one little run in the trees there.
Yeah, the first couple were great.
Well, I had a good run because anybody hadn't been in there really, right? But the snow hadn't totally dropped because when I pulled, my poles dropped, eh? So though, is a little edgy, a little still.
Yes, it is. Yeah. I like that. Tried to come up with one skate, but no.
That's good. The frozen quesadilla? Or as the Americans say, the quesadilla? Yeah, give me one of them quesadillas.
Armadillo?
Yeah.
I just got a
Oh, that shit was funny in Hawaii too, eh, Wade? All the tourists? Like, I became, and I don't know ever what happened to him, eh? But all those years I used to go to Hawaii every year, I had a really close friend over there. His name was Jack Duffer, eh? And so I hung out with a local, right?
Yeah.
Oh, fuck, was that guy an athlete, eh? Not when I first met him when he was a little kid, but the last time when I was like 18, 19, he was all state of wide receiver, eh? In high school. Holy crap, could he run? Like the wind. He got all tall, eh? But Jack, he taught me how to pronounce all the names, right?
Yeah.
We used to make fun of all the tourists. It's sort of funny because I was a tourist,
Yeah.
eh? About how they pronounce all the Hawaiian words, eh? We'd imitate them. Yeah, that's another place I want to go back one day, maybe. The thing is, all the things I'd want to do in Hawaii, my wife wouldn't be into. She'd like to hang out on the beach, right? Like, that's the whole thing. I'd be like wanting to go up to the waterfalls and hiking through the mountains and doing things she wouldn't do with me, right? That I definitely want to do.
What night skiing is going to start?
I don't know. Oh, this looks like my son's truck, but it wasn't. It didn't have the rack. Didn't have the headache rack. Yeah, no, I was pretty derogatory the other day. They had him out in a test vehicle driving. He's almost done paying off his truck, eh? And then she's out, passes by the GM for a fucking warranty thing, and they send him home and drive a few days in another big diesel truck trying to tie him into another 8-year loan, eh? I told him, you're friggin' nuts.
Yeah.
Stop. You have a better truck than all of your friends and most adults. Time to stop. Save for a house. I told him. Ridiculous. The salesman says he's doing you a favor. He's not doing you any favor. They say that to everybody.
No, you got to have the truck work for you now, right?
That's right. You're truck poor. You make lots of money. You're always broke. Stop it.